Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025. Today, we're just having a look at some pairs on the daily charts. I'm trading using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. All right, so just be careful today, Thursday, it's the 3rd of July. Normally, we have the non-farm payrolls or the US employment numbers or unemployment numbers, depending on which way you look at it, normally come out the first Friday of the month because tomorrow is the public holiday in the US, the 4th of July, Independence Day. That news is coming out tonight, so it's 24 hours earlier. It's the first Thursday, so just be aware of that. All right, let's have a look. Aussie Swiss, all I've done this morning is move my stop down. So I'm in a sell trade from over here on the 13th of June. I've just tightened it up and brought my stop just below the entry level. So that's all I've done this morning, move my stop down. BTC, Bitcoin, I'm in a buy trade from 25th of June. It's got up to this high here, previous big, where is it? Resistance level on price. You can see it's pretty solid resistance level there. So we've come up to that, and the MACD Platinum, which is just a zero lag MACD, has gone through the zero level. So I'm in this buy since the 25th of June. This morning I just closed half and set a stop at 104,658. So I've just reduced that so I can't lose on that. In the meantime, there's potential hidden bearish divergence forming. Now, if price just keeps on going up and that's no longer valid, I just delete those trend lines. That's Bitcoin, closed on the buy, closed half, and put a stop in place so I can't lose on that. All right, now pound Aussie, there's a lot of pound pairs, so just be careful of the correlation, overall correlation here, all right? I was in a couple of buy trades. They're over here. They've both been stopped out. I just leave them on my chart because I do a weekly video for my group, and I just show them where I've stopped out. So ignore the buy trades, everything on the left. All we're looking at is today's sell trade. So there's a sell trade here. It's a high risk trade. The trend is up. You can see the three moving averages are pretty constant and spread to the upside. That's a 240 linear weighted moving average, 100 EMA and a 50 EMA. A little bit hard to see that 50, but it's in there. So price is already amongst them, but I do like this resistance level on price, but it is in a bit of a channel, sideways channel. There is support down here also. So I've taken a sell today. Like I said, it's a high risk trade. It's trading against the trend. And as you'll see, there's a few pound pairs. So just be aware of the overall correlation. That's the pound Aussie new sell today in there. There's the notes there. Pound CAD. Ignore the buy trade. That's stopped out. No problems. Just you can read that if you want. All we're doing is contracting this sell trade. Again, we've got this resistance level on price. Again, we're against an uptrend. The price is in the amongst the moving averages. The MACD Platinum is above the zero level. Now the MACD Platinum is just a zero lag MACD. So generally I'm looking to buy when it's below the zero level and sell when it's above the zero level. There's a zero level there. So we're above it, selling today. There's the entry, sell. There's my notes. You can read that. Just what I said, basically. High risk trade. Pound yen. Now, ignore all this. I'm just in a loss recovery type sequence with these, which started over here, and I'm just getting absolutely hammered. So today was a sell. So 3rd of July sell, 195.875. It's a high risk trade too. It's against the trend. You can see the moving average is starting to spread to the upside. But there is regular bearish divergence there. The MACD Platinum is just above the zero level, so worth a shot. So I've taken a sell there. That's the pound yen. Just be careful of the correlation, as I keep on saying. Pound USD. I'll show you two charts. I'm very busy on this. This is my problem pair. So there's a lot happening there. So I'll go to a cleaner chart just to show you the setup. So today we've got this sell. Again, it's a high risk trade against the trend. You can see the trend is up. but it is supported by regular bearish divergence. You see the bearish divergence there. Price is heading up, MACD platform's heading down. There's a sell here today, 136,486. That's the pound USD. Now there's 4 pound pairs there, so overall correlation is pretty strong, so just be careful of that. Last pair is gold. Now I've got a lot happening on gold also, but ignore that. I'll just show you 2 charts. So one's my busy chart with all my trades on. If you're in my group, you'll know what I'm doing there. So we'll just go to today's trade. It's a buy. It's with the trend, but I'm a little concerned about this resistance level on price up here. This green dashed horizontal line is a big round number. It's a 3,500. So we've taken a buy today, but it's really has to break this to convince me. The buy is there at 3345.78. So there's the buy in there. MACD platinum below the 0 level. And that's it. Busy start to the day. I've got a lot of trades happening. It doesn't look like much when I show you guys on this video, but with all my multi-sequence hedging and loss recovery, a lot of trading happening. All right. All right. Enjoy the day. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you good folk later. Cheers.